Oke, mulai ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good afternoon, everyone. Respect Mr. Moffitt, the lecturer in terms of teknologi pengelolaan hama, and all our friends. Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, Today on this session group 3, we'll present the result of our discussion, namely pest control, using the result of our pest control using resistant varieties. And introduce myself. My name is Yogi Agustinus Manurung with study number 053.
My name is Arif Yulian Rahadi with last study number 151.
My name is Kautsar Lilani with number ID 147.
Hello, my name is Satrio Baskoro. My study number is 117.
Hello, my name is Kartika Nurhasana and last study number 091.
Okay, next. What is resistant varieties? Resistant varieties are plant cultivars that can tolerate or defend themselves against pests and diseases better than susceptible plants. They possess natural or genetically inherited traits that reduce damage caused by insect, fungi, bacteria, or virus. For example, ER136 rice is resistant to the brown plant topper, a common pest in rice fields. This variety help farmer minimize pestis use while maintaining high yields. Next, relationship between pets, pests and plants. Plant character that act as stimuli. Plant products both physical and chemical signals that influence pest behavior. Two, physical traits-nya atau or chemical compounds. Plant release special chemical called semiochemical that act as communication signal between organisms. 30, number one, pheromones work within the same species. Example, sex pheromones for mating, alarm pheromones for defense. Two, allelochemical work between different species. There are two main types. One, alloman benefit the plant by repelling or deterring pests. Two, chiroman benefit the pest by attracting it to the plant.
Yeah. In this slide is morphological traits. It's a physical structure of plants also affect pest interaction. Example is thick or hard leaf discourage feeding, and leaf hairs can make it difficult for insect to move or lay eggs. And color and surface texture can attract or repel certain insect species. These traits help plants naturally defend themselves without human intervention. Next slide is insect behavior and psychology. Insects go through 5 steps before successfully feeding on a plant. And the first is finding the habitats, locating a suitable area where the host plant grows. And the second, finding the host plant, detecting it using smell, color, or chemical cues. And the third, recognizing the host, confirmation it is the right species to feed on. And fourth, ex- accepting the host, deciding to feed or lay egg on the plant. And the last is evaluating host suitability, determining if the plant's nutrients are appropriate for its development. If the plant has resistant traits, one or more of these steps can be disrupt, preventing insect damage.
Okay, next is levels and mechanism of resistance. Level of resistance. Plant can vary in how resistant they are to pests. One is highly immune, is completely unaffected by pests. Second is immune, that are very strong resistance. Next is high resistance, it's strong but not perfect protection. Next, moderate resistant, it's some damage but still tolerable. Next is susceptible, is easily attacked. And highly susceptible, it's severely damaged by pests. Next slide. Number one is a true genetic resistance. Resistant inherit from parent plants. One, non-preference or anti-cyanosis. Insect avoid the plant because of smell, taste, or texture. The type is chemical due to deterrent compound, and morphological due to shape, hairiness of leaf thickness. Second is antibiosis. Plant tissues are toxic or unsuitable for insect growth. Next is effect on insect that slow growth, failed pupation, deformities, or low reproduction. Next is caused by toxic compound or nutrient imbalance. Number 3 is tolerance. Plant can recover after pest attack. Next is influenced by growth rate, vigor, and healing ability. True resistant is meaning stable but may be broken by pest evolution. B. Apparent or pseudo resistance. Resistant due to environmental condition, not genetic. 1. Escape resistant is pests fail to attack because of weather of timing mismatch. Second is host evasion, is pest life cycle doesn't match plant vulnerable states. Number 3 is induced resistance. That resistance appears after stress or stimulation. Pseudo resistance is meaning temporary and environment. Next.
In the expression of plant resistance, abiotic factor, conditions such as climate, soil, and cultivation method influence the expression of genetic resistant trait. Extreme temperature, too high or too low, can reduce the expression of resistant soil fertilizer determine the effectiveness of macro and micronutrients that affect the physiological process relate the resistant. Fertile soil strengthens plant resistant while nutrient deficient soil reduces. Biotic factor, biotype, biotype. Biotype is a group of pest population from the same species that differ in physiological and behavior. New biotypes may attack plant varieties that were previously resistant to the genetic adaptation to the host plant. Plant age, the physiological response of plant the pets varies across growth stage. Some plants are more resistant at the settling stage, while others show stronger resistance at maturity. This variation affects the level of resistance observed in the field. Next, advantage of using resistant varieties. Number one, reduce pesticides cost, labor, and control time. Minimize soil and water population, protect natural needs, and maintains agrosystem balance. Number three, can be combined synergistically with biological, mechanical, and culture control methods. Number four, genetic resistance is long-lasting and can adapt to environmental change. Number eight, product safe crop with low plastic residues and higher market value.
Okay, next slide. Okay, the next one is disadvantage of using resistant varieties. Resistant genes are rare in nature and require extensive screening. Breeding and field testing demand years of research and high investment. Pests can adapt and overcome plant resistance, requiring new resistant varieties. Some resistant genes may reduce yield, quality, or flavor. Usually effective only against certain pests, not all species. Resistance expression may weaken under extreme conditions such as drought or heat stress. Okay, next. Okay, the next one is case study. Resistant rice varieties against brown planthopper or Nila parvata lugens in Indonesia. A study by Puspito et al. In 2023 from the University of Jember investigated 24 local Indonesian rice varieties to identify resistance against the brown planthopper Nila parvata lugens. A major pest responsible for serious rice yield losses. The research applied a combination of field bioassays and molecular screening to detect resistant genes in its variety. The results show that the Leucot maiden variety demonstrates very high resistance, while X Bundong exhibited moderate to strong resistance. These resistant varieties contain specific genes that interfere with the pest feeding and reproduction process. Such mechanisms represent both antibiosis and anticyanosis, where insects either avoid the plants or experience inhibited growth after feeding. The study concluded that these local resistant varieties can be used as genetic resource for future rice breeding programs. Developing new pest-tolerant cultivars through less genes can help reduce pesticide dependency, improve yield stability, and support sustainable rice production in Indonesia. The image on this slide shows the brown planthopper or Nila parvata lugens. This pest attacks rice plant by sucking the sap, causing them to wither and die. Since it multiplies quickly and resists pesticides, research developed resistant rice varieties like Leucan maiden to control it naturally. Okay, that's all from our presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. We hope our presentation has been useful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Waalaikumsalam. Thank you. Oke ya, udah bisa ya. Oke, aku save dulu. Center.